Good morning, it is a Saturday. It's gonna be a good day. Let's get the day started. Let's go. Justin just got up to make some breakfast. Yeah. There he is. That young man. Let's get to it. Justin and I,
Hey guys.
we're gonna enjoy some food. We'll see you in a bit. Enjoyed a little breakfast. Everything's cleaned up. Finishing up my laundry, and I think Justin's gonna go take a shower real quick. And we're gonna walk on the bay and hang out. I better get some lunch meat and delicious food. See what Christian's up to. Well, we're both ready to go to the Virginia Beach. So waiting for Christian and heading out to the beach. That's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome. Out for a little bit. I'm gonna go for a little run on the beach. We'll see in a hot minute. All right, I just ran all the way to the buildings and pretty long run. On my way back now. See you in a bit. Just got back. That's like an hour run. I went on 56th Street and I went all the way to the buildings. I don't know how far that is, but it's insane. Beautiful day out there today. Right, Christian? Beautiful day?
Oh yeah.
Justin, what did you think?
It was cool.
Was it nice?
It was.
Everything you hoped for?
A little bit.
I forgot my sandals today. And sand's pretty hot, so I'm burning my feet off. Boy, is a hot one. Definitely got some little burnt today.
Burnt to a crisp.
Wish all of us, but it's a good day. We're gonna go back, freshen up, and get something to eat. Back at the crib, we're all getting freshened up. I'm definitely got a little bit of sun. It's gonna be all right. Heading out towards Hot Tuna. Going to the party.
Can you tell I got a little burnt today? So
Justin got a little burnt, right?
nah, my ass me burnt.
Just enjoyed some
No, we
food.
didn't.
I had hot tuna.
0 stars.
It was very
terrible.
good.
Terrible. Disgusting.
Good. All right.
We're about done with our day. But tomorrow, I'm looking at a car. What car? I don't know. You're gonna have to find out tomorrow in the vlog. But I got accepted. Let's see if I like it. And if I like it, then I'm gonna get it. So Hopefully everyone hopefully everyone has a great day, and we'll see you in the next
Clip.